Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. ClearCryptos, the captain's here, Adam Shelton. Today we're talking about CoinGecko. CoinGecko, you see the family of CoinGecko, they've been around for a while. Now, how did they get started? Well, in 2014, TM Lee, CEO, and Bobby, COO, with a mission to basically access crypto data and empower users with actionable insights. Then they took a deep dive into the crypto space and they wanted to do something that's really special. Now, 2013, CoinMarketCap got started, and then the following year, CoinGecko got started as well. They launched it to provide a 360 overview on the crypto market. Now, this is the look of CoinGecko. You see the geckos right over there, and you see all the cryptocurrency in terms of price, 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 day, and a 24-hour volume. Now, they have the market cap and the 7 days. Now, CoinGecko is another good site to come to as a new investor and existing investor to research your favorite cryptocurrency. So if I click on Chainlink, I do see the information right here from the ranking, the price, and the graph, and other detailed information. So it's a good place to come to do your research from these guys right over here. Now, they started in 2014, and then from there, they just continue moving forward. They launched a podcast in 2020, and January of 2022, they released How to NFT book. So they are definitely innovating. Look at the numbers, speaks for themselves. 200 million plus monthly page views. Wow. And then he also has 10 million plus average monthly views, 8 years plus of historically crypto data. So the numbers is definitely interesting and pretty impressive. Look at this, 10 million plus average monthly users. CoinGecko is the world's largest independent cryptocurrency with over 13,000 plus different crypto assets tracked across more than 500 plus exchanges worldwide. So this is CoinGecko. Definitely check it out. It's definitely a place to come to research your cryptocurrency, along one of your favorite cryptocurrency. And here on ClearCryptos, we're here to deliver you the goods and tell you where to go and how to educate and how to find your favorite cryptocurrency. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and thank you for watching this video today. They've been doing this since 2014. CoinGecko continues doing great things. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.